Hello everybody, welcome back to Freeze Coins. Today we got a quick penny hunt. Let's get right into these rolls. Alright guys, so at the bank they didn't have a full box, but they did have these rolls. So at least I got a good amount of them. A lot of these are the custom wrapped rolls. There were 5 of the machine rolled, but these are all 2018 P uncirculated pennies. So can't hunt those. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Maybe sell them. Who knows, but cool. But at least we have these ones to search. Let's get right into the first roll. I just opened up the first custom wrapped roll. Looks like we got a really nice mixture. Copper and zinc cents. This will be a good hunt. There's also these 2017 P uncirculated ones mixed in too. Alright, we're on roll 1 and we got ourselves a Canadian cent in the very first roll. 1981. Pretty cool. Alright, also in roll 1, I didn't see it. We got a second Canadian cent. 2 in 1 roll in the very first roll. This one is a 1985. Not bad. Alright, roll 2 and we got a 1969S. Not the double die, of course. So roll 2 and we got a 1971S. And we got a 1970S. Alright, roll 9 and we got ourselves a 1959 out of Denver. Pretty cool to find a transition. Alright, same roll and we got ourselves another 1959D. 2 in 1 roll. Not very next roll. Look at that. That is a bird cent. Wow. 1967 Canadian cent. Awesome. Never found one of those before. Pretty cool. Alright, next roll, and we got ourselves a 1959, this time out of Philadelphia. Alright, finally on roll 13, saw it obverse facing me, 1952D. Finally, our first wheat penny. Alright, roll 19, and we got ourselves a Canadian. Some really cool toning too. It's a 1980. Alright, we're on the next roll, and I didn't see it because I didn't check the ends, but they had a Canadian ender. Also with some really nice toning, too. Pretty cool. Alright, just finished all these custom wrapped rolls. I'm not going to open up these because they're just uncirculated 2018s. Alright, so for the fines, we did get pretty good amount of copper in those rolls, which is good. We did get 5 Canadian cents, including that bird cent, which I've never found before, so that's pretty cool. Probably the best find of the hunt. Got 3 2009s, 3 1959s, 3 S-mint marks, 1 wheat cent, just 1, fortunately, 1952D, and this one with some really interesting, cool toning. Wow. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.